Hello, food explorers. Welcome back to yet another culinary adventure here at Culinary Clues. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the top 10 weirdest foods from every corner of our fascinating planet. Without further ado, let's dive right into the world of strange and unusual foods, starting with number 10. Starting our countdown, we have number 10, century eggs from China. This delicacy, popularly known as 100-year eggs, involves a unique preservation process. Duck, chicken, or quail eggs are carefully cured for several weeks to months in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls. The result? An exquisite jelly-like amber-colored egg with a powerfully pungent aroma and a complex cheese-like flavor. The intense taste and unconventional preparation might discourage some. However, for those with an adventurous palate, century eggs could offer an intriguing culinary experience. Countdown continues, and here we are at number 9, haggis from Scotland. A dish with a unique twist, this savory pudding is made with sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, all mixed up with onions, oatmeal, suet, and various spices, then cooked inside the animal's stomach. Intriguing, isn't it? A culinary tradition that echoes through generations. Yet for some, the idea of eating offal and the unconventional cooking method can seem a bit off-putting. But remember, haggis stands as a true testament to the old saying, waste not, want not. Please like and subscribe to Culinary Clues. Counting down, number 8. Here we have casu marzu, a delicacy from Sardinia. This unique cheese is made by leaving pecorino cheese to age outdoors until it's invaded by cheese flies. The larvae from these flies help to break down the cheese's fats, creating a soft, creamy texture. However, the cheese is often eaten while the larvae are still alive, which is where the strangeness comes in. It's a dish that truly tests the boundaries of culinary adventure. Casu, a cheese not for the faint-hearted indeed. Counting down to number 7, we welcome balut, a crowd-favorite street food in the Philippines. Balut, a fertilized duck egg, usually finds itself incubating for 18 days and is cooked with the embryo still inside. It's this process that gives balut its distinctive appearance, with the partially formed duckling snuggled amidst the yolk and the egg white. Although its unique preparation and presentation may appear strange to some, it reigns as a cherished delicacy in its birthplace. Balut, a dish that truly puts your adventurous spirit to the test. Countdown continues. Here we are at number 6, the hakarl from Iceland. This is not your typical seafood meal. Hakarl is a product of a specific type of shark, fermented and left to dry for multiple months. What gives this dish its one-of-a-kind aroma and flavor is its preparation process, frequently defined as potent and full of ammonia. It's truly an acquired taste, its unique method of preparation making it one of the globe's most bizarre foods. Embark on a culinary journey with hakarl, but beware, this adventure isn't for everyone. Let's dive into our countdown of the top 5 weirdest foods in the world. Starting at number 5, we land in Sardinia with a bizarre delicacy, su filindo, or threads of God. This rarest pasta on earth, handmade from durum wheat semolina, involves an intricate technique of stretching and pulling the dough into ultra-thin strands. Served traditionally in a mutton broth and topped with pecorino cheese, its uniqueness and the laborious process to make it are what land su filindo on our list. Counting down to number 4, we find ourselves in South Korea with sanakji, a dish that features live baby octopus. Cut into bite-sized pieces and served immediately, the octopus is usually still moving on your plate. The adrenaline rush from eating something still squirming earns this dish a spot on our list. Next on the countdown at number 3, we jet off to Japan for shirako, better known as fish sperm. Served raw or lightly cooked, this creamy delicacy may raise eyebrows but is a staple in Japan. The very idea of eating fish sperm is why shirako ranks in our top 5. Almost there, our runner-up at number 2, we encounter escamoles from Mexico. Often referred to as insect caviar, escamoles are ant larvae sourced from the roots of the agave plant. They are typically pan-fried with butter and spices, offering a nutty and buttery taste. The mere idea of munching on ant larvae makes this dish an oddity. And finally, drumroll please, at number 1 in our countdown, we have the infamous kopi luwak from Indonesia. This luxury coffee is produced from beans that have journeyed through the digestive tract of a civet. After being collected, cleaned, roasted, and brewed, it becomes one of the most expensive coffees in the world. It's the unconventional method of production that crowns kopi luwak as the weirdest food in the world. And that concludes our countdown of the top 5 weirdest foods in the world. Would you dare to sample any of these? Well, there you have it, folks, our countdown of the top 10 weirdest foods around the globe. From the century-old eggs of China to the fermented shark of Iceland, we've journeyed through some truly unique cuisines today. Let's not forget the haggis of Scotland, the casu marzu of Italy, or the balut of the Philippines, each with their own distinct flavors and textures that can be as challenging as they are intriguing. But as we've seen, what seems strange to one palate can be a beloved delicacy to another. Food, after all, is a reflection of culture, tradition, and often survival. So, whether you're a seasoned food explorer or just curious about the world's culinary oddities, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these dishes, or perhaps there's a peculiar food from your part of the world that deserves a spot on our list? As we count down to the end, 3, 2, 1, and that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Culinary Clues for more food adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.